Welcome back to Fit Life Fusion. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon for more health tips and fascinating facts. Today, we're diving into a topic that might surprise you. Can lemon really kill you? Lemons are often seen as healthy, refreshing, and packed with nutrients. But are there any dangers hiding behind that zesty flavor? Let's find out. The good side of lemons. First, let's talk about why lemons are so popular. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and have powerful alkalizing properties. They're known to boost immunity, aid in digestion, and improve skin health. Vitamin C, antioxidants, alkalizing properties. Lemons are also used in many detox drinks and are a go-to for people trying to stay healthy. So, what's the catch? How could something as healthy as a lemon potentially be dangerous? The potential dangers of lemons. Here's where things get interesting. While lemons are generally safe, there are a few scenarios where they can cause harm, though the idea of them killing you is a bit exaggerated. Potential dangers of lemons. The first potential issue is overconsumption of lemon juice. Lemons are highly acidic, and consuming too much lemon juice can lead to erosion of your tooth enamel. This can cause sensitivity and increase your risk of cavities over time. Tooth enamel erosion. Another concern is for people with acid reflux or GERD. The acidity in lemons can trigger heartburn and make symptoms worse. So, if you have these conditions, you might want to limit your lemon intake. Triggers acid reflux. And finally, let's not forget about lemon allergies. Though rare, some people can have an allergic reaction to citrus fruits, including lemons. Severe reactions could potentially be dangerous, but this is not common. The verdict: should you be worried? So, what's the bottom line? Can lemons kill you? The short answer is no. Lemons won't kill you unless you have a severe allergy or consume an absurdly excessive amount of lemon juice. Safe in moderation. In moderation, lemons are incredibly beneficial for your health. Just be mindful of potential side effects like tooth enamel erosion and acid reflux, and you should be good to go. And there you have it, the truth about lemons and your health. So, the next time you reach for a slice of lemon in your water, you can enjoy it with peace of mind. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments how you like to use lemons in your daily routine. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and myth-busting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy, everyone.